Today, we are going to look at one of the best portfolio designs you can create in 2026. This is a clean, modern, and professional personal portfolio website. It is designed to showcase your skills, projects, and experience in a very attractive way. This portfolio is built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The design is smooth, minimal, and very user-friendly. It also has a fully responsive layout, so it works perfectly on mobile devices as well. From the landing section to the project showcase, everything is structured in a clean and modern style. This kind of portfolio is perfect for developers, designers, and freelancers in 2026. It helps present your personal brand in a professional and impressive way. If you want to learn how to build this full portfolio step by step, I can also make a full tutorial for it. And if you want the full source code, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more web design content.